If you're ready to promote your products to millions of people on Google, the first step is uploading them into Merchant Center next. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that step by step using Google's own product feed template. This step is essential for launching your shopping or your Performance Max campaigns. If you want to go live quickly and start seeing your sales increase, then keep watching. Okay, so for this method, Google provides a handy template to make it easier to structure your product data. Let's walk through the setup step by step. In your Merchant Center account, go to Data Sources and click Add Product Source. Select Use Google Sheets and open up the first template that Google provides. First, review the instructions under each product attribute. That's rows 1 through 11. These contain essential information on how to set up your product feed correctly. These are all the required attributes, and you'll need to fill them in with your product info. If you leave them blank, your products will be disapproved and won't show in ads. The remaining rows are optional, depending on what you sell. For example, if you sell apparel, attributes like material, age group, gender, color, size, and pattern are required in that specific category. I recommend going back after submitting your feed to fill in as much optional attributes as possible. This helps Google better understand your products and match them more accurately with search queries. Alright, once you're ready, remove all the optional rows and instructions so that you're just left with the required attributes. Now that we've set up the Google feed structure, let's bring in your actual product data from Shopify. In your Shopify admin, navigate to Products. Now, choose the products you want to export. Click Export. Select CSV, Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Then, click Export Products. Go to your computer's Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Okay, now open Google Sheets. Click File, Import, Upload. Then select the CSV file that you just downloaded. Click Import Data. Note that the exported file isn't structured for Google Merchant Center's template yet, so we'll need to clean up the info in the file before adding it to Google's template. Once it loads, create a new sheet inside the same doc and name it Google Feed. Now we'll start adding the exact column headers Google requires. These include ID, title, description, link, image link, availability, price, brand, condition, GTIN or MPN, and identifier exists. I'll leave a template link below with all the key attributes added to this sheet so it's easy for you to follow along. Now, we'll start populating the required fields from your Shopify CSV, starting with the product ID. It must be unique for every product or variant. It also needs to remain consistent across feed uploads, or Google will treat it as a new product. You can use the variant SKU as the ID or use the handle, since Shopify generates a unique handle for each product. Next, copy-paste your product titles. Then let's move on to your product's description. This is the body HTML column in your Shopify sheet. What we need to do here is strip the HTML and formatting from the text so that you have plain text only. Use this tool, it's simple, quick and free. I'll leave a link down below. Copy your product description from the body HTML column, then paste it into the HTML stripper tool. It will automatically remove the HTML formatting. Once that's done, copy the cleaned version and paste it into the description column in your Google Feed sheet. Now, let's move on to your product's availability. Here, you can tell Google whether your product is in stock or not. Enter one of the following values: in stock, out of stock, pre-order, or back order. Then, add your product's landing page link. Use the handle to build your URL using this format. For the image link, copy-paste the link from the image SRC column in the Shopify sheet. That's your main product image. Then add your product's price. For identifier exists, enter yes. If your products have a manufacturer-assigned identification number, add it under GTIN. If not, use MPN and enter your product ID. This helps avoid disapprovals for missing product identifiers. And finally, add your brand name under the brand attribute. We've made sure that all the required attributes are in place and everything is properly formatted. The last step is simple. Just copy and paste this data into Google's product feed template. Once you've filled it in, head back to Merchant Center and click Continue. Your spreadsheet will now sync with Merchant Center and Google will use it to pull in your products. You can update your product feed anytime using this sheet, and it will sync every 24 hours. One last thing, make sure the sheet follows the template exactly, or it might not work correctly. If you're looking for an easy way to share your product details with Google, this method is perfect. It keeps everything in one place, and you don't need any technical setup. It's great especially for store owners with smaller inventories. Now, let's wrap up a few final tips to help you avoid common issues. First, keep your feed updated regularly, especially your product images, pricing, and availability. These are some of the most common reasons for disapprovals. Always make sure that your product info in Merchant Center matches what's on your website. By the way, if your products are getting disapproved and you're not sure why, check out the video I've linked in the description. I walk you through how to fix each disapproval step by step. And finally, use the Diagnostics tab in Merchant Center. It's your best friend for catching issues early and making sure your products stay approved and eligible to run. And that's it. That's how you upload your products to Google Merchant Center with absolute confidence. If you've got any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you soon. Now, if your store's already doing 20K per month in sales and you want to scale to 7 figures and beyond, my team and I, we can help. We help e-com stores turn their ads into profit-generating machines, and we can help you. Click the link below to book a time with my team and I'd love to speak to you about how we could do this for your store. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.